There are three things to consider when dealing with fixed mass of gas, and these are temperature, pressure, and volume. For a fixed mass and volume of gas, temperature in Kelvin is directly proportional to the pressure. So temperature in Kelvin is directly proportional to the pressure. And when you solve, you are going to get P over T to be equal to a constant. This is known as Charles's law. For a fixed mass and temperature of gas, pressure is inversely proportional to the volume of gas. So P is inversely proportional to volume. So that means P times V is equal to a constant. And this is known as Boyle's law. Any gas that obeys Boyle's law is called an ideal gas. But a gas that does not obey Boyle's law is a real gas. So what this means is that if you multiply the pressure, the initial pressure, and then the initial volume of the gas, it should give you a certain number. When you increase the pressure and then you multiply that pressure by the volume, it should give you that same constant. When you solve for that and then you get the same answer, that means you're dealing with an ideal gas. For a real gas to obey Boyle's law, it must have a high temperature. Also, it must have low density and must not be full of water vapor. So that means that gas should be made up of dry air.